Hey y'all, I know it's been a minute since y'all seen my face, but you know, just doing life. But anyhow, I haven't been on here a while because I've been working. The other reason why I haven't been making videos is because I'll be so tired, and then my phone, which is what I use mainly to make my videos, is the S10 Plus, so it's like, what, 6 years old. Because it doesn't get any more updates, I hardly ever have any room to record on there. So right now I'm using my old phone, my S7 Edge, which is what, 7, 9, 10, it's about 9 years old. Yeah, about 9 years old, maybe 10. Yeah, but anyhow, I'm about to go see what's going on with my car. It wouldn't start when I was at Walmart on, what's today? Friday, leaving work, and I think it's the battery, which this will be the second time I have to replace the battery on this car, and so that's no bueno, and I'm hoping it is just the battery. So let's go check it out, y'all. Hold on. Alright, so I'm going in the garage. So yeah, that's the old refrigerator. So it went out on Friday, and last night when me and my sister came home, when we came home, I just decided to try it to see if it would start up, and it actually did start up. So I'm wondering if my cables around my car just need to be cleaned, like, you know, from corrosion, or if my device for my insurance is causing my battery to go down, which I'm kind of thinking that's the culprit. Which, if that is the case, that would be the second time that this has happened, just with a different insurance company. And I need to get some regular insurance, because even though I don't pay much for my insurance, I'm not down for this thing killing my battery. Let's see what happens. Let's see. Ooh. Yeah. Nothing. Alright, so last night I was able to start it. Right now it's not doing anything, so I'm going to check under the hood and see what's going on. And yeah, I've only had this car for 2 years, and I have had to have 2 tires patched up from nails from driving and doing deliveries. I've had the front 2 tires replaced. I had to have the wheel bearing fixed. I also had to have new spark plugs put in, and all of this is out of pocket. So I only had this thing for 2 years, and I already had to do, I would say the only real major repair was the wheel bearings, because the spark plug thing I could have did myself. I looked it up how to do it, and it's quite easy actually. So but I'm gonna check under my hood to see like corroded or something, and I will be back, y'all. But I ain't gonna lie, I think that if a person just got a car, like a used car, I know all cars have issues. I bought a car, a brand new car, 2007, had 36 miles on it, and had to take it back the next day for an oil leak, and it was brand new, 36 miles. So I know no car is without trouble. It's just that I've only had this thing for 2 years, and I've already had 2 major repairs, which I'm not happy about. So yeah, so let me look under this hood real quick, y'all. Hold on. So right now I'm checking under the hood. I think I might just need a new battery. I might have to switch insurances sooner than I planned, because I can't keep having this happening. This is the second time. The first time I changed my own battery out. It's not hard, but it's not fun either. So I have to do it again. I have to call my brother to borrow his tools to do it, and then I have to go get the battery tomorrow, and I work tomorrow, and so it's frustrating. But yeah, that's called being an adult. Let me show y'all. So, stupid battery. So first thing in the morning, see if my sister let me borrow her car to go get the battery and put it in and try to make it to work the same day. So we'll see what happens. But yeah, this is the responsibilities that come with having your own vehicle. So anyhow, let me close this and get in the house and make some phone calls, y'all. I'm about to, like I said, make a call to my brother so I could borrow his tools so I could go. I'm gonna try to go about 8 o'clock. Have to be at work at 11, but I might change it to 12 because I can change my schedule. And try to get it changed first thing in the morning. And I'm gonna have to call my insurance to see if there's some alternate way for them to track my miles because I'm tired of changing batteries. This is 1 time too many. Actually, this is 2 times too many. So yeah, Happy New Year, by the way, y'all. I didn't say that. Happy New Year. Hopefully we're already a month in, so hopefully it's going good for everybody. Mine is going fine. Just trying to get some stuff in order. Trying to do some stuff to better my life spiritually, naturally, financially, mentally. So yeah, I'm just day by day. All right, y'all. So excuse my head. I washed my hair last night, so I went to go get the battery tested because my car keeps starting and with like it'll start and then it'll stop. Well, it didn't start yesterday. It started on Saturday night twice, and then I started it Sunday and there was nothing, which y'all seen, and so I started it today and it started again. So I was like, is this the battery or something else? So I went to AutoZone, they tested it and it's the battery. So I just took it out. Y'all can see, just took it out. It's right there on the floor with those tools right there. So now I'm headed to the battery place to go get the other one. I'm going to put this in the trunk. These things are heavy. Oh, it's heavy. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Ooh. Alright, I'm gonna have to put this phone down, y'all. Hold on. Headed to battery place. Just need to gotta grab my purse.